Next concept, basic architecture of RF system. RF system means it is used to transmit RF signals and also use it to receive the RF signal. So what is the basic architecture of the RF system? RF IC basic architecture. RF trans receivers. RF trans receivers. Trans receivers means it consists of both transmitter and receiver. So same circuit consists of both the transmitter and receiver. That means it is used to transmit signal and also it is used to receive the signals. So this is the antenna, RF section, baseband section. Baseband section. In transmitting case, this baseband section generates the signal and then that is given to RF section which will perform the modulation, so many things, and that is given to antenna where it is radiated into free space. In receiving case, the signal is received by this receiving antenna and given to RF section to perform demodulation operation, then it is given to baseband section for further actions. So the RF section consists of mostly analog circuits. Here RF section consists of analog circuits. This baseband section mostly digital. It processes data which should be sent to or received from the RF port. So this is antenna, RF IC basic architecture. That means RF system, not IC, RF system basic architecture. So this single antenna is used for both transmitting and receiving purpose with the help of duplexer. By using duplexer, you can use same antenna for both transmitting case and receiving purpose. That means both transmitter and receiver use a single antenna with the help of duplexer. First, I will explain transmitter case. So baseband signal, then that is analog to digital to analog, that is filter which suppresses any high frequency signals. Then it is given to mixer, another input for mixer from local oscillator from transmitter side. Then it is given to power amplifier which is amplified power levels. With the help of duplexer, the signal is given to antenna, it is radiated into free space. Whereas in receiving case, this antenna is connected to receiver block with the help of duplexer. Okay. First part of the receiver is low noise amplifier LNA. It will not add any noise further. It will reduce the noise. Without adding any noise, it will amplify the received signal. Then it is given to mixer. One input is from received signal, another input from local oscillator, transmitter side. Then given to filter to suppress any high frequency signals. So here this mixer converts down conversion, whereas in the transmitter side this mixer performs the up conversion. Next that is given to analog to digital, then baseband processor and speaker. Here the input for transmitter from mic, the signal from mic is given to baseband processor, that analog to digital, and digital signal is given to filter, then it is given to mixer, power amplifier, the help of duplexer, the signal is given to antenna where it is radiated into free space. From the signal is received by this antenna, that is given to LNA which will amplify the weak signal, then is given to mixer, that is given to filter to perform some filtering operation, then analog to digital, baseband processor, that is given to speaker. So this is the basic architecture of the RF system. Next, what is antenna? It is the main part of the RF system. The symbol for antenna, which is used to transmit the signal and receive the signals. both the transmitter and receivers are going to use same antenna with the help of duplexer. By using duplexer, we can use same antenna for the transmitting and receiving purpose. Duplexer is which act like a switch. In transmitting case, antenna is connected to transmitter via duplexer. In receiving case, the same antenna is connected to receiver. So here, antenna, duplexer, transmitter, receiver. This is how duplexer acts as a switch. For example, if you want to use receiver, this antenna is connected to receiver like this. If you want transmitter case, this transmitter is connected to antenna. Duplexer, mechanical, you may use mechanical duplexers, electrical duplexers. There are so many types of duplexers. Balanced duplexer, branch line duplexer, so many things. RF receiver, receiver port, receiving antenna, filter, LNA, low noise amplifier, mixer, analog to digital conversion, baseband, demodulator and digital signal processor, digital to analog conversion, then baseband signal. So in RF port, received signal is filtered and amplified by a low noise amplifier, then image rejection is performed and down conversion is also performed. Decoding demodulation is performed in the baseband section. In this section, decoding and demodulation is performed. Next, RF transmitter section, baseband signal, analog to digital modulation, digital to analog conversion, up conversion, then give power amplifier. This is transmitting antenna. Baseband signal is compressed and coded and modulated in first step. In RF port, up conversion is performed and signal is amplified in order to be transmitted. So RF receiver section, already explained this concept. So, this is very, very important. This is receiving antenna, LNE, mixer, local oscillator. What is LNE? Receiving it tiny signals from atmosphere. The tiny signal has to be amplified. LNA means it does not add too much of noise of its own. LNA will not add any noise, hence it is called low noise amplifier. Receiver. Here LNA does not add too much noise, therefore a low noise amplifier cannot throughout the keep signals as it is. It has to handle both noise and signals that it has already received. So what is main purpose of LNA means it has to amplify the weak signal without adding any noise. Next part, mixer. It is also called multiplier. One input is from LNA, another input from local oscillator signals. Then these two are mixed in a mixer that produces low frequency signal. So high frequency to low frequency conversion. Here, this local oscillator signal from receiver, local signal from transmitter are generated on chip, and they are different. That will create some problem. So to get both signals, local oscillator from receiver, local oscillator from transmitter has same frequency, and also that is matched to the baseband signal. That is done with the help of frequency synthesizer. Same signal, the RF transmitter side. Just before sending the signal to antenna through duplexer, we need something called power amplifier to amplify the power levels of the signals. Say mixer and local oscillator problem. Two frequencies are different. So these two frequencies are generated on chip simultaneously based on techniques TDMA and FDMA. So two frequencies are synthesized, synchronized to the base station frequencies. We need extremely accurate synchronization between handheld and base station. So in this system, both base station, receiver station are operated at same frequency. Base station, receiver station, and that means okay. So here we require frequency synchronization that is done by the PLL. That means the received signal and transmitted signal both has to be at same frequencies. We need to operate same frequencies. The received signal frequency is same as the transmitted signal frequency. That is done with the help of PLL. Design tools for RFIC. These are the design tools. Passive RLC networks, distributed system, transmission lines. Distributed systems example, transmission line. Different elements which are available on ICs. That may resistor, capacitor, inductors, MOSFETs. These are the design tools of RFIC.